Hello, it's Sunnie Bee. Let's play. In today's tutorial, we are learning about our well-being. We are learning to explain different feelings using our feeling stamps. You need your feeling stamps and your Play-Doh. Knowing our feelings helps us to know what we need and want, or what we don't want. Let's choose our first feeling. This feeling has a mouth that's pointing downwards, 2 eyes and eyebrows that are pointing down. What do you think this is feeling? I think this face is angry. When you're angry, your muscles might tighten and your heart will start beating quickly. Now we need to go to our Play-Doh and put it into 2 parts, so break it in half. Now with this first part, we're going to use the side of our stamp to roll. Rolling is really good for building those muscles in our hands. We are going to use our stamp to push into our Play-Doh. Can you see the stamp there? I'm also going to push with my fingers to make that angry face. Pushing something like Play-Doh is a great way to relieve some tension and to help you relax. With this second pile of Play-Doh, I'm going to roll out a long snake. I'm going to break some of the snake off and make that downward facing mouth. I need 2 eyes and 2 angry eyebrows. Think about the different ways that you could make these shapes, rolling them in your hand or on the table. Here's my angry face made out of Play-Doh. I would love to see yours. Now we need to reset our Play-Doh. Let's put our stamp away and roll up those 2 balls of Play-Doh again. Squeeze it into your hands as you go. It feels so nice, doesn't it? The second feeling stamp has that same face pointing down, 2 eyes and the eyebrows pointing up, and a tear. What do you think this one is feeling? I think it's feeling sad. Roll out your Play-Doh like you did before, pushing against your hand, and stamp it in. As I push with my finger, I'm going to make a sad face on my own face. When you're feeling sad, you might also find that you're feeling tired. It's okay to feel sad, and it can help to talk to somebody who you trust. Think about someone who you trust. Let's make that tear shape and put it down. With the eyes this time, I'm going to roll a ball in between my hands. And I'm going to do that again. Oh, I haven't got much Play-Doh left. See how thin and skinny I can make those eyebrows. There they are. There's my sad Play-Doh face. I'm going to put that stamp away now and get my next one. Let's reset our Play-Doh as well. Squish it up. 2 balls. What emotion and feeling do you think this stamp is showing with its wide mouth and wide eyes and open eyebrows? I think it's surprised. Let's roll out our Play-Doh. Have you ever been surprised before? You might notice how quickly your body tenses up, especially in your neck. It can be scary sometimes to get surprised. Rolling out the Play-Doh now into that long snake shape and making that circle mouth. Those big wide eyes and those eyebrows that are very open and wide. There it is, my surprised face made out of Play-Doh. Now I need to reset my Play-Doh, put my stamp away. I'm going to squish it into those 2 balls of Play-Doh again. My next feeling stamp has a little smile, closed eyes and eyebrows that are upside down pointing down. What do you think it is showing? I think this face is proud. When you're proud of yourself, you have a high self-worth. That means you think you have done a great job of something, or you think you have been a good person. Being proud is a really nice feeling. Think of a time when you tried really hard at something and did a great job. Did you feel proud? This time with my Play-Doh face, I'm doing something a little bit different, aren't I? I've flattened my Play-Doh and now I'm putting that smile, the two eyes and the eyebrows on top. That's a different way to make our feeling out of Play-Doh. What do you think? I'm going to reset now and put my stamp away and roll up my Play-Doh into those two balls. We only have one feeling stamp left. This one has a bigger smile and two very wide eyes. What do you think it is showing? I think it is showing happy. When you feel happy, your body relaxes. You feel less stressed and less worried. It is so good for your body when you're feeling happy. Your muscles, your heart, even your brain thank you when you're happy. What things can you do to feel happy? I'm rolling out my Play-Doh. I have stamped it and I have pushed it with my fingers. Here is my happy face made out of Play-Doh. I'm going to reset now, rolling up our Play-Doh into one big ball. What other emotions and feelings can you make with Play-Doh? I have an idea. I'm going to make two eyes and a long snake with this leftover Play-Doh, squeezing it, rolling it, and I'm going to make it a bit wobbly, a wobbly mouth. Ooh, what feeling do you think I'm trying to show? You're right, it's worried. I'm trying to show a worried feeling face. What feelings can you make out of your Play-Doh? You could try making your own stamps out of recycled cardboard and wool. You could stamp it into your Play-Doh or paint it and stamp it on paper. I'd love to see your creations on Instagram or Facebook at Sunnie Bee Australia. You have been learning with Sunnie Bee. See you next time.